Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak vegetables. Start by selecting high-quality, fresh vegetables like asparagus, bell peppers, or broccoli. Wash them thoroughly and cut them into similar-sized pieces, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, ensuring they cook evenly. For your steak, whether it's a ribeye or sirloin, pat it completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps create that beautiful, crispy crust we all love when searing. Season your steak liberally with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Next, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally a cast-iron skillet, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for about 2 to 4 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare, aiming for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. After searing your steak, remove it from the pan and let it rest. In the same pan, with the flavorful steak drippings, add your harder vegetables like carrots or potatoes first. Sauté for a few minutes, then introduce softer vegetables such as bell peppers or zucchini. Cook them until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. A splash of broth or a squeeze of lemon can brighten the flavors. Resting your steak is essential. Allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. This redistributes the juices, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. While the steak rests, you can finish your vegetables. Once rested, slice the steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Arrange the sliced steak alongside your perfectly cooked vegetables. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely touch and enhances the overall presentation of your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.